How to make your birthday private on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your birthday private on Facebook mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and now click settings and then go down again and you will find here profile information. Click on it and go down until you find basic info. Click edit, and here all you need to do is just click on this one and click more options and click only me or anything you want, and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.